Alright guys, there it is, the Kronos Xtr, cherry red, definitely not, bright girly pink, 100%, but you know what, my daughters like it, so if they like it, I like it, and to be fair, it does actually make it stand out, so I'm quite happy with that. So if any of you guys that watched the spray painting video I done, you also seen that I put Mojave rear shocks on the Kronos. Again, they were fine. I just wanted to see what the difference would be with a sort of bigger, stiffer shock on the back. And I've got outcast tyres on it, which I might switch back for the Kronos Xtr ones, because I do really like them. But just because I've gave the car a new look, I thought different size wheels, well, different wheel pattern, they're actually pretty much the same size. If anything, the Kronos ones are a tad wider, but it's just to give it a new look in general. So hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to run it on 3S today, purely because I'm on concrete and things, and it should be enough power for the area I'm running in today. We'll get some 6S big sends and stuff with it soon, but I want to just have a little light, gentle bash today anyway. So hope you enjoy it. If you do, please like and subscribe. I'm going to try and get a lot more videos up again. Just this last week or so, I've just been doing things in the house, and just with work and stuff, I've been a little bit busy. But yeah, click that button if you haven't. I'd appreciate more subscribers, the better. And all you guys that have been subscribed for a long time or are just new, thanks again to everybody who follows my channel. I really do appreciate it. So here we go. Enjoy the Kronos Xtr in action.
I see a train moving all too fast, but I'm not leaving. And you go round and round and round when you cannot see. I'll be right behind you, off in the trees. You look so beautiful today, and now the game is changing. Just a stranger, suddenly you're so insane.
Well, just when you think your RC car can't look any more girly, it comes back and brings you a flower, eh? Unbelievable. Right guys, that was an amazing bash there. Hope you enjoyed it. So much fun with the Xtr as always. The outcast tyres on it, there's not really any obvious difference over the Kronos stock tyres, so it's more cosmetic for sure. I didn't find any handling differences at all with the car, but yeah, really happy. Nice little bash. 2 3S packs I've went through there, and I'm going to go home now. Not rolled the car, no damage, so all good. Get on with the rest of the day. But like I say, hope you enjoyed that video guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Probably a crawler one next, because I'm really getting a wee bug for crawling right now, so might get the, well, it's up to you guys. What do you think? The UMG 6x6, the TRX4 or the Sendero? I'm not sure which one of the three I want to take out, so if you guys have got any ideas, drop it in the comments. See you later, bye.